Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with Libby, Web Edition. This video will explain how to access and use the web version of Libby to borrow, read, and listen to ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines. Libby is a website and app created by Overdrive that provides library patrons with access to ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines. Halton Hills Public Library patrons can check out up to 10 titles at a time through Libby's website and app. Titles can be accessed online with an internet connection or downloaded to a mobile device to read while offline. To access Libby, begin by visiting the Halton Hills Public Library website at www.hhpl.on.ca and hovering your mouse over the Browse tab at the top of the screen and selecting the eBooks and Audiobook option from the drop-down menu. On the eBooks and Audiobooks page, scroll down and click on the tab that reads Ontario Library Service Download Center in Libby and select the Download Libby button. To access Libby through your internet browser, click on the link that reads libbyapp.com. You will be prompted to answer a series of questions to sign into Libby using your library card. If you do not currently have a Halton Hills Public Library card, please visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to learn more about registering for a card. After confirming that you have a library card, select the option that lets you search for a library and type Halton Hills Public Library into the search bar to connect to the Halton Hills Public Library's collection. You will now be asked to enter your library card number and PIN. Please enter the complete barcode number from your library card. Your PIN is typically set to the last 4 digits of your phone number. You are now ready to get started with borrowing titles. From the homepage of the Libby website, you will be able to browse new releases and special collections, search for materials, manage your account settings, access borrowed materials on your shelf, and view your activity history. To search for a title, enter your search terms into the search bar. You can then filter your search results by format, language, audience, media supports, and availability by selecting Preferences. You will also be able to see the availability of a title and estimated wait times if the title is not available to borrow immediately. To learn more about an individual title, you can click on the cover of the book. If a title is available to borrow, select the Borrow option to check out the title. The title will now appear on your shelf, which can be accessed through the homepage of the Libby website. Once you have signed out a title and opened your book, clicking on the right-hand side of the page or using the right arrow key will allow you to move forward in your book, while clicking on the left side of the page and using your left arrow key will allow you to move backwards. Clicking on the center of the page will provide you with additional options, including changing to the page layout, enlarging a particular section, adjusting the font, searching within a book for a particular phrase, and adding and seeing bookmarks in your book. The navigation bar at the bottom of the screen will allow you to scroll through different sections of the book and jump to particular sections. When you borrow an audiobook, you can use the navigation bar at the bottom to play, pause, fast forward, rewind, and jump to specific sections of your audiobook. Clicking the center of the screen will allow you to adjust the playback speed, set a sleep timer, add a bookmark and notes, and view your bookmarks. If an item is not available to borrow immediately, you will have the option to place a hold on the title. Clicking on the clock and library card symbol in the top right corner will also show you your place in the line and an estimated wait time. Items will be automatically returned once your loan period expired, meaning that you will not need to pay any overdue fines on materials on Libby. If you are finished with a title prior to the due date or would like to renew an item, you can do so by going to your shelf and selecting the Manage Loans option. For any additional questions about Libby, you can also visit their help page at help.libbyapp.com. Thank you for joining us for our guide to the Libby website. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out either by phone, email, or stopping by to visit us in person. Happy reading!